someone just broke into our house.
Do you know this person?
No, I don't know who it was.
What's your address?
Virginia Street.
How did he get
Hayward.
in?
He broke the sliding door in the family room, shattered it. We heard a big noise. We thought it was our cat. And I came out, and he was standing in our family room, and he tipped over our big screen TV and ran out at the backyard around the side fence.
Is he still there?
No, I think he got out of the backyard.
Hear any cars or
Someone's
anything
banging
like
on
that?
our front door. Someone's banging on our front door.
Okay. Where are you at in the house, ma'am?
We're in the living room. Don't open the door. Don't open the door.
Are there any weapons in your house?
I don't know.
Do you have, ma'am?
What's going on?
How many people are inside your
I
house?
have a gun. I don't know if that's him. There's someone in the front yard. He's in a white car, and he's just staring at my husband. He was on our front porch. He's way back to the white car.
He's near a white car?
He's walking down the street on the sidewalk. He's coming up to our house.
Ma'am, take a deep breath. How many people are at your front door?
He's standing on our sidewalk in front of our house staring at us.
He's standing on the sidewalk?
Yes, send the police. He's getting there.
They're on the way, ma'am.
Hey, you want me to go through the back?
Hold on. I don't want to jump the gun on him yet.
You want me to kick it open? I can hear. I think he's in the house.
Someone's screaming in there. Okay.
I got you. Go.
Okay. Yeah, she's yelling help. I got it. I got it.
Fuck.
Hayward, please! Hayward, please! Hey, come back!
Get back. With you.
Stay right here, sir. Stay right here. Hey, show me your fucking hands!
Hey, he's going through the backyard. He's hopping the fence.
Gray beanie, blue jacket, about 6 foot tall, cell phone, over the fence.
Please get your hands up. Get down on the ground. Get down on the fucking ground. Stop. Great, he's jumping back over and going north. Get down on the ground. And he's on the roof of 160 running west. Get down on the ground! Great, give it there. He's on the roof. There's two. Get down on the ground!
Hey, right there!
Hey, get down! Please! Stop, we're gonna shoot!
Male wearing a gray
Stop!
beanie, blue hoodie,
Get down on the ground! Hey, just sit down right there.
Please. Stop. Hey, just push back a little because.
Go, sit on the roof right there. Sit down.
Sit down.
Hey, sir, go back inside. Go back inside. It's not safe out here.
Hey, get behind cover. Do not jump. Hey, if he jumps, we'll go taser.
Yeah.
Hey, Sam. Sit down. Right here.
He's thinking about it.
35 looks like he's thinking about jumping east.
No, hey, sit down on the roof right there. Just sit down and stop moving. Hey, sit down. It's the police department. Sit down.
Hey, you got a 40 in your car?
Hey, sit down on the roof right there. Just sit down. You're under arrest. Sit down.
Sergeants are calling back. I'm going to try to use me.
Come on. Let's go. I don't know either. North is that way, so he should be coming. He's right here. Get here. He's coming over right here. Hey man, get on the ground now. Get on the ground, Hayward PD. Don't reach in your pockets.
Hey, get on the ground.
I'm telling him no. Stay on the ground. He's got a tase him. He's got a screwdriver. Stay on the ground.
Get on the ground now.
Stay on the ground, dude.
Don't move. Drop it. Get on the ground. God,
Hit him.
Yeah, no. He's ripping it out. Drop
Stop
it.
fighting, dude. Get behind him. He's locked up.
Get in there. Hey, get in there. Drop it. Drop it.
Put the fucking screwdriver down.
Drop the screwdriver.
Roll him over.
Got it. He dropped it.
Roll over. Roll over.
Get on
On
his
your
back.
stomach.
Hey, you're gonna get it again, bro.
Give me your hand now. Stop being dumb, dude. Give me your hand.
Give us your hand.
Give us your arms. You want one? I don't know.
Leg, stop stupid, dude. Give me your other hand.
Holster that up. Give us your other hand now, dude. Give us your other hand.
I can't get it because he's got his clothing wrapped. Give us your other hand, bro.
Dude. Do you have any more tasers?
Yes, sir.
You're gonna get tased again if you don't give us your arm.
Give him your arm. Give us your fucking arm.
Here it comes.
I got it.
Stop being dumb. One.
Yeah, I got it. He's good.
Two. Get on your side now.
Yes.
We're not gonna kill you, dude. We don't want to kill you.
Kill me.
Check. No.
Hey.
Nathan.
I don't think so. No, that's him, because the tattoo on that thing.
Someone get in here and help me.
What do you need?
Jump on his chest.